Now our motto determine V naught with the help of Thevenin's equivalent. So how can determine V naught? First of all, if you consider that is here X and here Y terminal, okay, and this one is load resistance, okay. First of all circuit converted into Thevenin's equivalent means VTH and RTH. After that, this RL is connect here and apply voltage divider rule, and we got the answer. So first motto is our motto determine VTH and after that RTH. So how can determine VTH? If you, this one is a load resistance is removed, and that is we have considered open circuit voltage, that is X, here Y, that is open circuit voltage is called VTH, okay. So how can determine? And we have considered first of loop current, here I1, here I2, here I3. After that determine branch current, okay. So loop current I2 is 4 milliampere because of this current, this loop current is going on. In branch current, no here any branch, that's why branch current, that's why this loop current this is equal to branch current, okay, that's why 4 milliampere. Similarly this one is also written as, and similarly I3 is also 1 milliampere. After that apply KVL in this loop, okay, apply KVL. What about Vx? No current flow from here to here. Why? Because that is open circuit. So Vx is 0. So that's why 2 into 0 divided by 1k, that is 0. Clear or not? Now next target is, if you follow this path, then this branch current, I3 here, if I3 is greater than I1, then I3 minus I1 in this branch current, okay. So clear. And I2 going on here, apply KVL in this loop, minus to plus minus V of OC, that is 0 0, plus to minus, but going on minus to plus, so minus 1, minus to plus minus 2, फिर minus to plus minus 1 into R3 I3 minus 1. I3 is, what about I3? 1 milliampere. And what about I1? I1 is 0, so I1 minus 0, and minus 2 plus minus 4, this is equal to 0. So finally V of OC is minus 8 volt, okay. After that our motto determine RTH. RTH is, if you determine RTH, all independent source reduced to be 0. If all independent source reduced to be 0, it means open circuit. This one is open circuit, that is a current dependent current source, that's why. Clear? So this is open circuit and this one is also open, so this one and this one remove, okay. And here that is current voltage dependent current source. This is voltage dependent current source available. So you can here assume corresponding to XY terminal we have 1 volt voltage source or 1 milliampere current source. Why consider 1 milliampere current source? Because of all resistance is given kilo ohm and all current corresponding to milliampere, that's why we have considered 1 milliampere, okay. If you consider 1 milliampere current source, then what about V? V is equal to written as 1 into RTH, so RTH is V. Basically our motto determine RTH means basically determine V. If you determine V, then you got RTH. So here 1 milliampere current passing through here, and clear. So what about Vx? Vx is written as 1 into 1, that is 1 volt, means if you put this value 2 into 1 divided by 1k, though we got 2 milliampere. So here 2 milliampere, here 2 milliampere, and here 1, we got 1 milliampere. So what about branch current in the branch? What about current in this branch? 2 plus 1, that is 3 milliampere, okay. So apply KVL in this loop. Apply KVL in this loop. Minus 2 plus minus V, plus 2 minus plus 1, plus 2 minus plus 1, 2 to 1, that is 2, and 3 to here 3 to 1, that is 3, and 1 1 to 1, that is 1, okay. This equal to 0, so V this equal to 8. V basically RTH, so RTH is written as kilo ohm, okay. This one is we have considered milliampere, that's why RTH is also we got in kilo ohm, okay. Why? Because of V is bold, okay. If this one is bold, here milliampere, then RTH is also kilo ohm, then multiplication of these two, then we got V in bold, okay. Clear? So we got VTH and RTH. VTH is minus 8 volt, so written is minus 8, and RTH put this value, and RL is 1 kilo ohm. After that, applied voltage divider rule. V naught is written as VTH divided by RTH plus RL into RL. Put this value and we got final answer.